In today's video, I am going to show you how I turned a $3,000 account into $7,000 just by sticking to my strategy and analyzing the market. I use the ADX indicator, and the results speak for themselves. Stick around until the end, where I'll also show you how to withdraw your profits. Trade 1. Alright, here's the first setup. We've got a strong uptrend, with price moving steadily along the trend line. You can see it pushes up into a resistance level. Overall volatility is low, no crazy candles, everything looks calm. But if you focus right at the level, you'll notice the candles get smaller. That's a good sign. Price is testing the level. Now let's check the ADX indicator. It shows the current trend strength. We look at the blue line. It shows strength while the red and yellow lines show direction. Here, red line is above yellow. It's bullish pressure. Blue line is climbing above 25. It means trend is gaining strength. On top of that, price already broke resistance. So now it's time for the correct entry. I open an 18-minute call. Why 18 minutes? Because with low volatility, price can move slowly. You gotta give it time to build momentum. Price pulls back slightly to retest the broken level, which is now support. But thanks to the right expiration choice, trade closes in profit. Trade 2. Opposite setup now. Strong downtrend. Price gets stopped at a support zone, bounces up, breaks the trend line, and enters consolidation. It means the market is gaining strength before moving again. In these cases, I use the back to trend strategy. It's when price breaks the trend line temporarily, but then returns to the main trend. This is exactly the case. Right now, price touches resistance, struggles to break it, and starts to pull back. I open a 12-minute put. Since price is still inside a range and I go from the level, there might be one more retest before moving. 12 minutes gives it time to react properly. I check ADX. Blue line is under 25. The trend is weak and the red and yellow lines are crossing. That's expected. In consolidation, trend is usually weak and indicator signals aren't so reliable. Here I rely more on the global trend itself rather than indicators. Trade closes in profit. I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start. What if I lose my money? I hear this all the time. Look, trading isn't some magic button to get rich overnight. But if you want to try it the right way, without wasting money or months figuring things out, here's how. I trade on Quotex, and right now, you can copy my trades for free while learning in real time. No upfront fees. I'll get a commission from the platform instead. That means you can test everything on a demo, see how it works, and decide for yourself without spending $1. It takes minutes. You get the currency pair announcement. Open it on the platform. Then you get the signal. Place the trade, and that's it. Will this make you a millionaire tomorrow? Of course no. But it will get you started, you'll see how it works, and see your first profit without risk. This is the easiest way to step into trading. Just check it out and see if it's for you. Click the link, get set up, and let's go. Trade 3. Let's break this one down. We're on the 1-minute time frame, looking at a support level in a global downtrend. That means we're looking for short setups. Price touches support level, pulls back up slightly, and forms a triangle pattern. Classic continuation setup. This means the price is shrinking within the pattern and preparing for the next impulse towards the global trend. I watch volatility. Candles are shrinking. Then, strong breakout down, big volatility spike. Perfect timing for the entry. I open a 15-minute put. I check ADX. Blue line is still under 25. Trend is not at full strength, but yellow line is above red. This is bearish momentum. Another win. Setup, breakout, volatility, and indicator confirmation. Everything aligned. Trade 4. Next one is not a trend, it's a flat market. Global resistance level holds firm. Price bounced off it multiple times. Notice something important. The price pulled back, then consolidated. But after each bounce, price only pulls back to the support zone, showing the limits of this range. Since we're in a flat market, and price can't break through the global trend, I look for short entries. Price breaks through the first level, starts testing the next one. I go for 18 minutes down in the global trend direction. Why 18 minutes? Because in a flat, price often moves slowly. It needs some extra time. Before entering, I check ADX. Blue line is near 25, so the trend has strength. Yellow line is above red. It means bearish pressure is confirmed. Trade closes, and we're up around $700. Trade 5. Another familiar setup, uptrend, price hits resistance, and forms a triangle pattern again. But this time there's a twist. A strong resistance zone is sitting right above the pattern, so I need to make sure the trend is strong enough to break it. Checking ADX, blue line is super low. It means the trend is weak. Yellow line is above red, but is going down, getting closer to it. It's a signal that the trend might lose strength, but hasn't reversed yet. I open a 13-minute call. Why 13 minutes? Because price needs time to continue the movement as there's a resistance level above, and it plays out perfectly. Price dips first, then breaks through resistance, and we've got another trade in the green. Trade 6. Final trade. We've got an uptrend. Price breaks the trend line, then moves into consolidation, exactly like in trade 2, another back to trend scenario. Price reaches the support level and immediately bounces with strong volatility. It's a perfect entry in the trend direction. I open an 18-minute call. ADX shows that the blue line is a little above 25, so the trend is strong. Red line is above yellow. Bulls are in control. Trade closes in profit. Each trade today was different. Some were strong trends, some were flats, some had weaker indicator signals. But what stayed the same every time is my structure. Analyze the trend, mark key levels, watch volatility, confirm patterns, and only then check the indicators. This simple discipline is what helped me boost my balance from $3,000 to $7,356 in 2 days, not relying on luck, but using a clear system. Now let me show you actual withdrawal. Go to the Withdrawal tab at the top right corner of the platform. Select your payment method, enter the amount, and here's the profit from 2 days of trading. Pro tip: always double check your payment details. If everything's good and your account is verified, it usually takes around an hour for the money to show up. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to follow my daily setups, join my Telegram, links in the description. Catch you in the next video. Stay safe and be in touch.